Just when it seemed Oregon's most populous county would finally emerge from lockdowns under COVID-19 and enter phase one, Governor Kate Brown said, wait.
In order to slow the transmission of the virus, I am putting all pending county reopening applications on hold for 7 days. This is essentially a statewide yellow light.
Most of Oregon, shown here in gray, is already in phase two, which allows recreational sports along with the opening of pools and movie theaters and larger gatherings. 6 in the darker colors are still in phase one, which allows restaurants to reopen for sit-down meals, along with the opening of personal care salons and barbershops and gyms. And Multnomah County, there in the light blue, is still waiting to enter phase one and had hoped to do that today. The state epidemiologist said there are reasons for concern.
In Multnomah County, we've seen an increase in residents admitted to the hospital over the last 2 weeks. The positive test percentage is going up in the face of increased testing. And over 40% of the cases identified last week were not traced to a source.
But the county said its hospitalizations are still low compared to the high of 40 in April, rising from 9 to 11 to 14 over 3 weeks. County Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vines conceded 40% of infections having no source does indicate there's a lot of community spread, but said the county is ready to enter phase one.
Looking through a county lens is different than looking through a state lens, but we were confident in our application despite that increase of single-digit numbers in hospitalizations over the last few weeks.
But state health leaders said concern about Multnomah County, along with rising case numbers in Marion, Polk, and Hood River counties, convinced them everyone needs to slow down.
I know how frustrating it is to move slowly. We all wish this reopening could be happening faster. Oregonians should know that county leaders are working extraordinarily hard to make reopening possible. My job, however, is to make tough decisions, even when they are unpopular.
Governor Brown said she'll meet over the next 7 days with health experts to determine whether yet another pause is needed or whether the state can resume coming out of the COVID-19 lockdown. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.